Be honest. Please tell me this is the first time this has happened.
Well, do you want me to be honest? Or you want me to tell you this is the first time?
Jesus, what is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. I tried to tell you about this.
What? When?
All the time.
Like when?
When we were in bed and stuff.
In bed? I thought you were just talking dirty.
Well, I was, but I was being serious.
You said some really sick stuff.
You have to admit it, Mitch. We haven't been living the most exciting life in the world. This is a totally different kind of satisfaction for me. It's purely sexual. I'm really sorry.
Yeah?
I'm here for the gangbang.